Well, hello, all my baker friends. I hope that you are enjoying my series as I am baking my way through Kitchen Classics, the Great British Baking Show. That is my oven dinging because I have something in there that's cooking. Anyway, kind of appropriate, isn't it? Today, I'm staying in the cookie biscuit section, and I am making a baker's recipe from Dana. I really liked her. I found her very enjoyable. She was very delightful on the show. And these are her chocolate chip cookies. They are amazing. This is going to be a short video. I have really nothing negative to say whatsoever about this cookie. So I'm just gonna show you my little process of making them, and that will be it. So I'm just gonna go ahead by saying you need to get this cookbook and make these chocolate chip cookies. These are gonna be my go-to chocolate chip cookies from now on. And then I was thinking about all the possibilities of what I could do with them, adding nuts to them, or cherries, dried cherries. I mean, they were delicious. So yeah, so I'm not gonna have a follow-up video, just you need to make the chocolate chip cookies that are in here. So thank you, Dana, they're great. So here is what they look like in the book. And I have assembled all of my ingredients, basic cookie recipe ingredients. I'm mixing up my wet ingredients there and those lovely eggs from my chickens going in there. Then I'm going to add in, of course, the dry ingredients, which is the flour and other things. And then once that is mixed up, I'm going to add all the yummy chocolate chips. And this was dark chocolate, so you could change it if you wanted to make a milk chocolate. And then once they're hot out of the oven, you're just going to finish them off with a little bit of sea salt. Just sprinkle it on there, and it really gives the cookie a nice flavor, sweet, salty. I love it. So again, there's the photo of their cookies, and these are mine. And they just came out so great. They were crispy, but on the outside, and then just soft and moist in the inside. So yes, I highly recommend that you make these chocolate chip cookies by Dana.